They bloom only for a short time each year, covering the branches with soft pink flowers. The view feels calm and peaceful, and people come here to walk, relax, and enjoy nature. You can stand under the trees, feel the fresh air, and watch the petals gently fall around you. The ground slowly fills with petals like a soft pink carpet, creating a quiet and dreamy scene. These blossoms don't stay for long. They appear, shine beautifully, and then quietly disappear. That's what makes them special. A short moment of beauty that reminds us to slow down and enjoy the present. Thank you for watching.
آپ دیکھ رہے ہیں ایکسپلور یو کے ظہور احمد کے ساتھ.